guys, because I guess 1.5 year back, you guys, since 1.5 year, you guys have been telling me to do something which I couldn't because I didn't had the confidence to do it. But finally I got it, so मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना I hope he or she's safe. Okay. Full day vlog with real stuff you do? Nahi. It is none like a vlog or something, but it's something really, really big for me. I don't know if it's big for you, but it's big for me because I'm not giving any of you hints. मेरे को अभी किसी को भी hint नहीं देना है. But just wait for like a week or a week maybe. So guys, next week dropping a surprise. I'm very nervous and I'm excited though, and it's big for me because I didn't think I could do it, but then I did it and I was like, oh my god. So I'm just waiting ki kab I'll drop out that surprise, and just want your love. That's it. Anyways, well, how are you guys, and are you guys safe? See, I'm home, I'm safe. Please say my name is Zikra. Hi Zikra. Any questions, anything that you guys have to ask me or suggest me to do on my YouTube, and just suggestions I need. Hey Kabu. Hello, hi. Hi Aliza. Hi Atmika. So yes, you need to keep suggesting me that what should I make, because thinking ideas are like, so I need your help obviously. Like what you guys want, obviously I'll do that. Say Harsh, I miss you. Harsh, I miss you. I do. I miss every one of you. Ankit, you, and मैं एक एक करके नाम नहीं लूँगी. अगर किसी का भूल गई तो फिर कोई बुरा बन जाएगा. Radhika. How is Meenua? She is perfect. She's out for shopping. Fun fact, without me. I'm so sad. She left me. Shopping के लिए मम्मा left me. मुझे sorry. You can cut 50 of my overacting. I won't mind. Your home tour. Okay. Right now everything is messed because I'm probably gonna shift in a month or so. So अभी तो मेरा यही बात बतानी थी कि जो आप home tour और room tour मांग रहे हो वो अभी नहीं हो सकता because things are quite messed because we are about to pack and almost half things are packed. So room tour में आप सिर्फ खाली बक्से, आप कुछ भरे हुए बक्से देखोगे तो. So just wait till I shift and I set up my new house, and then house tour. You have to wait for things, babes. Till then, keep suggesting me something apart from home tour that you guys want me to do. 50 नहीं 51 काटूंगा. Okay. But still it upsets me that I'm not in the mall right now with mama shopping. Say my name, मैम. बहुत ज़्यादा पंखा हूँ मैं. Hi आशु. My God. Full day vlog, real stuff. Full day vlog, real stuff. मेरा तो ठीक है. आप करोगे? आपके साथ ही बनाऊंगी. रुक जाओ. Everybody type Ashu is killing on YouTube. Oh my God, is it? अंकु? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अभी सिर्फ 4 वीडियोस डाली है मैंने और इतना तो कुछ. Sorry. सिर्फ 4 वीडियोस डाली है मैंने, तो उसमें कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं है मैंने. वो भी 4 बहुत ही रैंडम नॉर्मल वीडियो है, तो ज़्यादा सर पे चढ़ाने की तो ज़रूरत है नहीं. ठीक है. हाय महक. You're looking so cute. Thank you. Ha. No lala shoe. Any questions that you guys want to ask? Or I'm leaving in 5 minutes, so you have to ask me something, or if you want, I'm here for 5 minutes. Ashu, okay. हाँ यार, क्या ही था मुझे. I really have to work more hard on YouTube. Like, इतने से काम नहीं चलता बॉस. Congo for your 100k. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. I love you guys. You're looking so cute. Thank you. Yes, one more important question, Lala. हाँ जी आमिर बोलिए. Are you in relationship? No. Relationship में होती तो इतना फोकस नहीं कर रही होती YouTube पे, Insta पे and all the other things I'm doing right now. So yes, I'm single. मम्मी के साथ वो वाला बनाओ ना, वो हेडफोन्स पहन कर ना, फिर सामने वाले जो बोले वो गैस करने का. एक्सक्यूज मी, यू वांट मी टू डू विस्पर चैलेंज विद मम्मी? रहने दो. मम्मी कुछ और बोल रही, मैं कुछ और सुन के बोल दी तो लगेंगे मेरे. लॉन्ग वे टू गो, ऑलवेज प्राउड ऑफ यू बेब. आंकू यार, मुझे सूरत आना है यार. नहीं, मैं वो नहीं कर सकती. विस्पर चैलेंज तो मम्मी के साथ नहीं हो सकता. बट आई एम प्लानिंग समथिंग विथ माई मॉम. हाँ मुझे पता, मैं आ रही हूँ 5 मिनट. आई प्रिपेयर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू, प्लीज मेक टाइम एंड सी. ओके, आई विल डू दैट. Okay guys, I need to leave right now and I'll see you next time. And next time मेरा बहुत जल्दी होगा क्योंकि इस बार मैं बहुत कम टाइम के लिए लाइव आई हूँ, वो भी बहुत टाइम बाद. So yes, I'll be live soon and thank you so much for showing so much love everywhere, whether it's Insta or YouTube or whatever. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and thank you so much for 100k on YouTube and I really love you and I shall see you next time. Bye.